Hello Goobers, hello honey buns, how are you guys doing today? Sorry I've been gone for a while, but the depression be hitting me hard sometimes. Woo! But I'm powering through. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a baby tee that I recently got from Realisation Par. It is their Zodiac collection, which is a kind of recent collection, not their most recent, but it hasn't been out for that long. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video and unbox the Zodiac Baby Tee that I got. So this is everything that it came with. This is like a little extra goodie bag, which we'll get into later. This is the shirt. I got it in medium. And then this little cute box here. The dye kit. Blue and yellow. I'm probably gonna do something like this eventually. Yeah, we'll see. Ooh. Oh, I've heard of these. Okay. So cute. Okay. And then it comes with these little scrunchies. Oh my gosh. They seem to be silk satin or whatever, maybe. And there's two different colors. They're really pretty. They're both floral. So that's what's in the package. And we'll do a little try on of this. Before we get into the try-on part of the baby tee, I just want to check out this cute little fortune teller fish thingy. So I'm pretty sure this little packet with the scrunchie and the fortune teller fish was a holiday promotional thing. Well, supplies lasted. But anyway, so I tried the fortune teller fish, which is something I hadn't done since I was little. I totally forgot about these, but I have such vivid memories of them from when I was like really young, like 3. And it looks like mine curled up entirely, which means passion. But I also think it's because I just gotten out of the shower and I was still residually warm from that. So it might just be because I'm very warm. This is what the shirt looks like on the hanger. It comes with a little Realisation Par tag. This one, instead of having the tarot card that it usually comes with, it has a little Leo horoscope. The design looks like it's supposed to be like an airbrush kind of design, which is kind of coming back into style lately. So it looks like they're mimicking that. As you can see, it says the Zodiac sign and then has the corresponding sign with it. I really like this shirt. It's a little see-through, so you can see my nipples, but I honestly never really care when a shirt does that. I just obviously can't wear it to work, or I can layer it with something else. But yeah, I really like this shirt. It's cute, it's comfy. Like I said earlier, I got this shirt in a size medium. While I was tie-dyeing in the summer, I learned that tie-dyeing obviously shrinks up a cotton shirt, which this is 100% cotton. So it shrinks up the shirt since you have to wash it and rewash it and re-dye it sometimes. I sized up so that when I am finally done at dyeing this, it will be the perfect tight little baby tee fit. But yeah, I am excited to see how it turns out. I will be tie-dyeing the shirt eventually, just not in this video, because I do want to use this shirt as a size guide for a future video, which I will do that before I shrink it in the wash by dyeing it. Stay tuned for that video for a Realisation tee baby tee size guide in the near future. Subscribe if you want to see that. But that'll do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. Sorry it was a short one and sorry I've been away for a few weeks, but again, I'm trying to take care of my mental health. Hopefully I'll have a new video out soon and it'll be a bit longer than this one, but until then, I will see you guys and I love you. Bye!